Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be reporting about the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is the glorious historical monument and is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful and wonderful tourist destinations in the world. The magnificent artwork is a superb combination of Islamic, Persian, and Turkish architecture. After the sad demise of Mumtaz Mahal, the beloved wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, he decided to build a mausoleum to keep her memories alive. Experience the spellbinding aura of a heart-touching tale of deep love and grief during the remarkable visit to the Taj Mahal. Intricate artwork exhibiting the brilliance of Mughal architecture makes the Taj Mahal one of the seven wonders of the world. It was constructed in 1632 AD and commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan Alamgir. It was completed during 1654 AD and the architects were Ustad Isa Muhammad Khan, Kazim Kam, Amanat Kam, and Mir Abdul Hakim. The workforce consisted of approximately 22,000 people, and the estimated cost was $2 million. The replicas of the Taj Mahal are in Bangladesh, Bibi Ka Maqbara, and Tripoli Shrine Temple in Milwaukee. But today we are going to be discussing the replica in Bangladesh. So hold on to your seats as we take you on a free flight to Bangladesh.